In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate email replies for Gmail using AI. So the first thing I'm doing is opening up Gmail and making sure I'm inside my inbox where all my emails are. From here, I'm just scanning through and picking an email that I want to reply to. And once I find one, I'm clicking on it to open it up. Now that the email is open, I'm going down to the reply section and clicking on reply so I can start drafting my response. You'll see the message box pop up at the bottom, and this is where we'd normally type everything out manually. But instead of doing that, I'm going to use the built-in AI feature to help write the reply for me. So right down here at the bottom of the message box, I'm clicking on Help Me Write. Once I click that, a small prompt area shows up where I can tell the AI what kind of response I want. This part is pretty flexible, so I'm just typing a simple instruction like asking it to write a reply based on the email I received. You can keep it short or be a bit more specific depending on what you need, but I'm just keeping it straightforward here. Once I've entered what I want, I'm clicking on Create, and now the AI starts generating a reply for me. You'll see the text appear right inside the email draft, and it usually comes out pretty clean and ready to go. At this point, I'm just reading through it quickly to make sure it matches the tone and message I want to send. If it looks good, I can leave it as is, or I can tweak a few words here and there just to make it feel more like me, and that's basically it. Instead of typing everything from scratch, the AI has already done most of the work, which saves a lot of time, especially if you're replying to a lot of emails throughout the day. Once the message looks the way I want, it's ready to send just like any normal email. So just to walk through it again while I'm doing it, I opened Gmail, went into my inbox, selected an email, clicked reply, then used the help me write option at the bottom. I typed in what I wanted, clicked create, and the AI generated the response right away. It's really quick, really simple, and it makes replying to emails a lot easier. Once you get used to it, you'll probably find yourself using it more and more, especially for routine replies, or when you just want a little help getting started. And that's all there is to it. You're now using AI inside Gmail to generate your email replies.